Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. In this video, just a quick Sunday update. Not too much movement here on the overall time frame anyway. You know, the bigger time frames, there's nothing that's changed. If you're interested in the daily time frame, I'd recommend you check out the last video during which I also talked about the bigger picture. No need to repeat that today because we only did that yesterday. Just wanted to give you a quick update about the smaller time frame. So XRP has formed a three-wave move to the upside. So from an Elliott wave point of view, that is not yet clearly a signal that we've started an uptrend. Obviously, the smaller time frame shows an uptrend, but it's not as clearly like a five-wave move as we've seen it on the Bitcoin chart, for example. This basically needed another high here, which could still develop, but obviously we need to see, you know, we can only assess the chart right now, okay? So it's all about, okay, can the chart give us that five-wave move up? The probabilities for that will reduce below 57.3 cents. Now, I've been very vocal about XRP's inability to form five-wave structures, like generally, okay? XRP often cannot form a proper five-wave move. It's just doesn't like it, okay? Five waves just offer clarity from an Elliott wave point of view. So if we are picky about setups, we typically want to pick the setups that have shown us a five-wave move up, and then the subsequent three-wave pullback. Like, let's imagine we get the five waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to form a larger five-wave move from down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The subsequent three-wave pullback would be a nice long trade setup. But obviously, you know, they don't happen every day, and it's worth being picky, you know, and if we only have three waves up, the situation is a little bit less clear. Doesn't mean it's bearish, but it is definitely then just corrective price action. It means with three waves up, it's definitely just corrective. If it means another low, that's a different question. It just means corrective, could get another low easily, could also form a larger three-wave move up. I mean, that's just where, when we're only witnessing three waves up, it just introduces a lot of uncertainty. Or let's call it, or let's say the other way around. If we get five waves, it definitely reduces. It reduces, not eliminates, but it reduces the uncertainty. And I mean, that's what we're looking for in trading, right? An edge. So when we have an edge, when we have reduced uncertainty, we have clear risk management levels and so on. But with three waves up, it's all a bit messy. So at the moment, I haven't got that, you know, I can't at least see that clear upside momentum. But I'm watching for a fifth wave. I'm watching for one, and a break below 57.3 cents, however, which is the last swing low, would reduce that, I think, the probability that we get a fifth wave up. It would reduce further with a break below 54 cents. Whatever we're doing here, this is just a mess. Just corrective price action at the moment, and it is easily possible that we've started the C wave decline, okay? Assuming we only have a three-wave move up, possible that this is an A wave, this was a B wave, and then this is a C wave down. The break below the trend line gave us an initial signal that a top of sorts might be in place. At least the immediate uptrend would be over. And now we see a bit of downside pressure here. Well, today, just that last bit here, that is just noise, however. That is just noise. Don't panic about movements like this in crypto. Stay on the larger time frame. I'd say minimally the 1 hour chart. You know, this is where the trend is. It's up at the moment in the very short term, just from an Elliott wave point of view, not a five-wave move, so it means just be on the side of caution. One more high would give us a clearer uptrend. Whatever happens here at the moment is just short-term noise. Nothing meaningful happened here over the weekend, I'd say, because we have only overlapping price action. One more high above the last swing high, 63.2 cents, would give us probably the five-wave move up, probably targeting 70 cents. Any break below 57.3 cents would increase downside pressure in my view. And then we can watch the support area just below, between 42.6 and 52.4 cents, from where the price could then attempt an upside reversal. It's just that we would then already have completed wave A, wave B, and we would be in a wave C to the upside. How that can be integrated into the bigger picture, I'm gonna just show you very briefly. Again, for a more detailed assessment, take a look at yesterday's video where I explained everything in detail, also on the larger time frame. Won't do that today, just want to show you, look, this would be an ABC structure to the upside. A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. And the question is only, is the A wave a five-wave move or is it a 3-wave move? And that really doesn't matter so much in the grand scheme of things. Important is to understand what is support. On the daily chart, 37 cents. On the shorter time frame, 42.6 cents. And these are clear risk management levels. In the very short term, you might want to watch 57.3 cents. Don't call that a very reliable level. It's just a structural support and invalidation point for the immediate 1-2 setup here. Or it's just a potential that we are already in the 5th wave, and then it would be a diagonal. But a break below that wave 2 low here, the micro, that swing low from Sunday, the 21st, that would invalidate the immediate uptrend. But yeah, from an Elliott wave point of view, okay, we already broke the trend line, so it's a difficult situation here, just moving sideways. So a bit in no man's land, waiting for a break. And yeah, the level should be clear. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.